Hi everyone, in this video I want to try and show you a couple of ways of doing wireframe rendering. So the first thing we're going to do is just build a seamless backdrop. So basically we'll get a plane and we'll just put a plane out there on the grid there, excuse me, and we're going to have 24 segments. With segments 4, that's enough. We need to make it a little bit bigger. Maybe something like that. And in here, once we've got to about that, we go into the modify panel and we'll put a bend modifier on it. And we'll work out the angles and our bends. So we need to bend up one side of it, the back side of it, say. So let's just put in here about, like about 100. So it's got an angle to go upwards, and we'll put in here, let's see, we'll get it on the right angles and stuff here, so we need to go up Y. So you've got your angle there, as you can see, and then we're going to do limit the effect by clicking the limit the effect, and then if you scroll this guy up here like this, you'll get a bit of an angle here. Perhaps I should be on about 90 there. Yeah, that's right, 90. That makes sense. And I'm just going to fold him back so he becomes a kind of a little bit of a stage there. So there we go. Got that bit done. If you're big enough, you can always just make him big enough by using your scale tool. Now we've got a bit of a seamless stage, which is kind of cool. So on this stage we're going to put some kind of 3D model there, and I guess which one we could use, the teapot, or we can go into the extended primitives and use something like the torus knot. So if we create a torus knot somewhere here, something like, say, something with a bit of detail. I'll just bring him out, he's a bit too big. It's a bit too big there, so I'll just going to chuck him out of here for a second. And I'll put the scale tool onto him and just scale him down. Something like that. And we'll just place him on our stage. There we go. Get a good picture of him like that. There we go. So we've got a sort of a seamless backdrop. And there's our torus knot. So I've got my torus knot here. I'm now going to put some materials on stuff. So we'll go to our material editor. Now in this first bit I'm just going to use the normal renderer. Drag in a standard material. I'm just going to call it material 1 so I don't get mixed up. And I'm going to select the actual stage, and I'm going to put that material onto the stage. So there's that material, it's just a grey. That's one. And the next thing I'm going to do is grab another standard material, drag it into here, double click it. I'm going to call it wire. And we're going to actually put this on the torus knot, so make sure the torus knot is selected, don't move it like I did. And in here, over here, if I double click it, you'll see that the parameters open up. I'm going to click wireframe, and I'm going to put that guy onto this and that guy onto there. So now we have a wireframe torus knot basically. Okay, so while we're in here, I've got the wireframe here. Let's actually change the diffuse color to black. So now if we do a quick render, you'll see that we've got a black wireframe. Looks a bit boring though at this stage. So what we'll do is we will create another torus knot. So with the torus knot selected, I'll just click this away. We'll go up to edit, go to clone, We'll make a copy of it. Torus knot 2 is fine with me, and go like OK. Now, now that we've made it, it's inside there, we can actually go back to the material editor, and let's put the first material onto that guy by clicking that there, and now we have basically the wireframe and the material within it. So let's just have a look. So there we go. Not too bad. So the next bit I'm going to show you is a mental ray render of this.